Hey guys, I'm doing another video. I'm sorry for the really bad lighting. Bianca, can you turn on the light right there?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm gonna turn the lights on. I'll be right back.
Thank you. Okay.
You're going from I said the
Bianca, just go on your iPad again. You're probably wondering what it is. So
Oh,
probably,
because somebody see my feet is stinky.
Slime, my new slime.
Yes.
Um,
Got it?
Bianca, can you get the lotion
Where is it?
in Mama's bathroom?
Okay.
Figli della bocchinara hanno aggiustato.
The white one.
What?
The white one.
Okay.
The big white one. Okay.
Okay.
In the camera, it looks white, but in real life, it's actually butter yellow.
Compra stancelli.
But like, it looks
I
like
cannot find
seriously. The big white one.
Dove sei?
Like, I need more lotion because like, see how it is, but like, it's super soft. Look at this.
Ma io l'ho pure. Io sai.
It's kind
Dammi pure una
of
pozzetta.
stretchy, I guess.
È un toddler.
It's good, but I need more
Sei
lotion.
una principessa.
Gosh, you want to look at my swirl?
Cogliona.
You the camera?
See,
Ma se poi. Ah, cazzo non ne fa. Sono pronto.
This one?
yes, thank you.
Non
Finally,
so un cazzo.
Yeah.
I used this one.
Yes, but that's my mom's. That's going to take
How
it
do
out.
I? Oh, okay, never mind.
It says don't put a lot, a little bit. But she knows how to put a lot.
Put a lot in it. And mix it.
And then get out.
No, shh, stop. Go on your iPad again. So I just do like this.
Un po'.
Oh shoot, this, like this, and then pick it up and just mix it. Probably you do, probably if you have slime. Oh shoot. Sometimes it gets really sticky when I add a little.
Spavento se muoio.
My bad. Maybe I added too much.
Hello.
Oh my god. It literally doesn't need to touch. I'm not making it touch the desk because my mom's gonna kill me then.
What was
At least it's stretchier. And I guess kind of. Bianca, turn the lights off. You forgot the lights on.
Oh, yeah. I
I
forgot.
gomiti.
Oh. Oh my god, I love this song.
Vero?
It's made with borax. You're never gonna be mad at me, cause
Perché?
I don't. It's a store-bought slime, but it was really clear, and then I added.
Guys,
it
guys,
was
I
not,
have
stop. Get on your iPad.
Non
Bianca, you did good. Bianca's listening to what I say. Don't mind me.
Guys,
I'm
I have
bossy.
my back on. So that's when I pick your
I
back.
need.
A bat ball.
No,
You,
not
you're
a
my
big one.
friend.
I need a.
Uh-oh.
Bianca, can you get it?
Okay. Let me fix it. Wait.
Why don't you just put me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Come on, Bianca.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Minchia, non sale, già sono 76. No, scherzo, era
Really?
75, quindi era un po' un cazzo.
Yeah, fix it.
Shoot! So my iPad case. There.
Ah,
Oh, it's the right
minchia,
thing.
non so più da
No,
giocare.
Thank
it
you.
keeps going on my eye. Oh my god, I thought it was falling. Okay, so.
So the next one you can.
Oh shoot!
Let me fix it then.
Oh my god.
That's
It
so.
keeps going on my iPad case.
I know, yeah. The why is it falling?
Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put my son right there.
It's you.
Oh my god. Okay, just leave it bald. Leave it. Leave the potato girl bald.
Why are you gonna feel like a man?
Oh, what's your time?
Oh, added too much. It's gonna be way too sticky.
It's a little bit.
Oh yeah, baby girl. Stop, Bianca. Go on your iPad again, okay?
Okay.
I'm losing my-
I like slime.
By the way, my mom's not here, so she will be kidding me if she's killing me. If she sees this. No, she already knows I have this sign. But I can't use this that much. Stop, Bianca. Sit down on your iPad again. Bianca, sit down on your iPad again. I'm losing my mind. I need more. I need more activator. And it needs more lotion. It's dramatic sometimes, yeah. Sometimes. Sometimes, yeah. Oh yeah, sometimes. Sometimes. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Sometimes. Who touched the remote? Who touched the remote? Oh shoot, I put it on the counter. Desk, counter, what is it? Table, I don't know. Tavolo. Sorry, that's how you say table in Italian. If you're Italian and you're watching this, then congratulations. I don't care. Just kidding, I'm not that rude. Basically not that rude. I'm rude sometimes, like when I get mad. I blush every time.
Guys, that's really funny.
It's the most satisfying crunch in the world. When I make a bubble. Okay, wait, let me make a bubble. I definitely failed, but it's so crunchy after. It's stuck to my hands. Look at the meltdown. It's meltdown time. And it was jiggly slime, but now it's not. It's so fluffy slime. My mom went somewhere with my dad. Basically, that's all for the video, but I don't know what to do, so.
What's up, boy?
Those high self channel video.
Oh, what's up, boy?
Sorry, that's my cousin.
What's up, boy?
You have a slime grandma.
What you making a video for, boy?
Did you hear that? Oh my god, I love this.
Sì, freaky girl chica.
No, non è questo. Non è questo ora.
Qual è?
Ginevra's videos are here.
Now Ginevra's video here.
Videos! Idiot!
Perché è sciocco yourself a fucking dumb ass.
Ah! Shut the frick up!
Oh, Donkey Konky.
You're a donkey and a monkey, because that rhymes.
Come on, like a fucking... Ti ricordi fucking gymnastic?
Shut up!
Oh, ti ricordi gymnastic?
Oh my god.
Il video con la pistola di ginnastica.